Ever wanted to make your product descriptions pop with cool text animations? Instead of plain text, let's spice it up using CapCut. It's super easy, and I'll show you how to do it in just a few steps. Alright, so I'm already inside my CapCut editing project with a video loaded up. I'll assume you're here too, ready to go. First, open the text menu and tap on Text Template. Here, in the Trending section, you'll find tons of awesome text animations. Scroll through and pick one that fits your product vibe, like this one right here. Once you've chosen your template, adjust the size and position of the text to fit your video. You can also extend the duration if you want it to stay on screen longer. Now, to personalize it, just tap on the text and replace it with your product name. And boom, that's it. Your animated product description is ready to go. Simple, right? With this trick, you can make your product videos look way more professional in just a few taps. Try it out and let me know how it goes.